Hello again, everyone. I hope you're staying home and taking care of yourselves. I know it's hard right now not being able to hug your family and friends and to keep your distance. However, it's imperative that we stay home. When we do go out for the essentials, we must all keep 2 meters apart, the length of a hockey stick, between us at all times, wherever we are. While I know a great deal of Hamiltonians are abiding by these recommendations of our public health, there are still some who are ignoring these warnings. Each of us are the first line of defense against this spread of COVID-19. Our proactive actions to prevent further spread, staying home, washing our hands, not touching our face, will help keep our healthcare system be successful in treating everyone who is sick and in need of care. We announced the suspension of all city-run programming and extended the closure of all city facilities, parks, playgrounds, sports fields, city administration facilities until May the 25th. I know, May the 25th, hard to imagine. It's going to be very difficult, but this is what we need to do to stop the spread of this virus. Should we fail to do that, people are going to get sick and some people are going to die. Our emergency response by Hamilton Police, Hamilton Fire Department, and the paramedic services is not impacted by this closure. To help our frontline heroes, you can now report people putting our community at risk. Enhanced measures are now in place to prohibit organized public events and social gatherings of more than 5 people. Paramedics, healthcare workers, police officers, grocery store workers, truck drivers and firefighters, and all other imperative service workers are putting themselves at risk each and every day to keep our community functional. They are the true heroes throughout this pandemic. Let's help them do the best job possible by us staying at home. This new way of living is hard, but it's brought out the best in our community. I've read dozens of stories over the past couple of weeks of how Hamiltonians are helping, like Laura Sitter, who's making 3D printed face shields for frontline social workers experiencing shortages in personal protective gear, and Michelle Fevers, who passed out free lunches for those in need last weekend at the Honest Lawyer on King Street West, and the St. Joseph's Villa, keeping residents in contact with family and friends through phone and Skype calls, and who arrange for family members to come to the property and wave from outside and hold up homemade signs with messages of love and encouragement. Stories like these make me so proud to be a Hamiltonian. I would love to hear more stories of people going above and beyond during these unprecedented times. So send your stories and photos to mayor@hamilton.ca so we can continue to share this good news with the rest of the community. Please continue to keep up to date by visiting hamilton.ca/coronavirus. There is an enormous amount of information on there that I'm sure will answer all of your questions should you have any, and keep you up to date as to the announcements that we're making on an ongoing basis. You can also call the Public Health Services COVID hotline at 905-974-9848 if you have any questions or concerns and you want a more direct answer from someone. Call that number and you will get there. There are a lot of calls going through at the moment, so be patient. They will leave a message and they will get back to you as soon as they can. Folks, be safe, be kind, stay connected to your family and friends and those who need your support. Do your part and stay home, Hamilton. Only with your cooperation can we help flatten the curve and get through this together.